In another important development in the protracted Satluj-Yamuna link, that is SYL canal dispute, the Supreme Court has strongly criticized the Punjab government for denotifying the land acquired for canal's construction. This action, taken after a court decree mandating the canal's completion, was termed high-headedness by Justice B.R. Gavai, who emphasized that such a move attempts to defeat the court's decree. The SYL canal, envisioned to facilitate water sharing between the states of Punjab and Haryana, has been a contentious issue for decades now. The origins of this dispute trace back to 1966, when the Indian state of Punjab was reorganized, leading to creation of Haryana. This reorganization necessitated the equitable distribution of river waters, particularly from the Ravi and Beas rivers, between the two states. To facilitate this, the SYL canal was proposed to connect the Satluj river in Punjab to Yamuna river in Haryana, ensuring Haryana received its allocated share of water. The construction of the canal began and Haryana completed its portion by 1980. However, Punjab's construction was fraught with delays due to political opposition and security concerns. The situation escalated when a chief engineer associated with the project was assassinated in 1990, leading to a complete halt in the construction. In the year 2002, the Supreme Court directed Punjab to complete the canal, reaffirming Haryana's right to its share of water. Despite this, Punjab passed the Punjab Termination of Agreement Act in 2004, unilaterally annulling all its water sharing agreements, including those related to the SYL canal. This act was challenged, and in 2016, the top court declared it unconstitutional, emphasizing that states cannot unilaterally terminate interstate agreements. The court ordered the completion of SYL canal, but enforcement has remained a challenge due to the ongoing political resistance and concerns over water scarcity in Punjab. Well, today, the top court clarified that its earlier status quo order pertains solely to the land required for constructing the main SYL canal in Punjab and not the internal canal networks within the state. The bench, comprising Justices B.R. Gavai and A.G. Massey, directed both Punjab and Haryana to cooperate with the union government to find an amicable solution. The matter is now scheduled for further hearing on 13th August. Stay tuned with Live Law.